Hi everyone, I'm Ram, working as a senior application engineer in SIM technologies for past 2.5 years. So in this video we are going to see how to get started with Draftsight. So first of all, Draftsight is a software which is used for 2D designing and annotations purpose. So let me start my session. So this is the Draftsight user interface. Hope you all aware about existing 2D CAD software available in market. So this user interface may remember your existing 2D software user interface because we thought the learning curve for AutoCAD to Draftsight adoption should be minimal. So what we have developed this Draftsight as it is, and the next thing is, as I said, the minimal learning curve will taken to work with Draftsight for any existing 2D CAD software users, showing that block option. So here I am using all dimensions are in mm as a block. I am giving name as notes for drawing and make that as a block. As well, I just want to use the same block in many drawings, so I export this drawing as block in particular folder with same name. Here you can use a function plus F4 key for using recent documents to be open. So this is my recent document. So here I am using insert block command and I am searching for my block. Yes, I have got my block here. So by this way you can use any entity as a block for your future reference. The next thing is Layer Manager. As you all know, the Layer Manager tool will be useful for rapid designing and design changes. So in this case I am using my title block as a red color. Now I change particular layer as yellow color. So here you can change, see the changes. So as like shown here, you can use this Layer Manager for your design purpose and its changing purpose. The next thing is ballooning system. Yes, we are having ballooning and BOM system with Draftsight. In this case you have to input the data what you wanted to extract in bill of material. Here I am using individual part number and descriptions for some of the elements for your reference. Here also I can mention how many quantities should be there in my BOM. If needed, you can mention in which assembly it is combined with. I am giving part number as P003. So with a single click I can extract my bill of material. Yes, this is my bill of material. You can see the part number which I have been given in individual area. So as I said, user interface will be familiar for you, so the same commands can be used here in Draftsight also. The next thing we want to see is toolbox components. Here we are having certain default toolbox components which you can use for your design purpose by means of clicking which type you want, which standard you want, and which size you want. You can simply drag and drop your toolbox components in your drawing. Yes, as like this. Yes, not only fasteners, you can use holes also. And these are all the default standard holes, and its sizes are available in Draftsight. By this way you can simply drag and drop your toolbox components into your drawing. The next thing is some of power tools we are having with Draftsight. Yeah, before that, this is machining symbols and welding symbols you are by default available within Draftsight. You can simply drag and drop into your drawing as you did with holes and fasteners. The next thing we are going to see is some of power tools which will really make your work simple. In this case, first thing we are going to see is image tracer. Simply I am dragging and opening an image file into my drawing, and there is an option called image tracer which will convert your photo or image into DWG drawing. So simply I have to select which image has to be converted. Within a single click my image is turned into drawing file. Yes, this is called image tracer. It would be really helpful for architecture peoples to convert their plan drawings into drawing files. Yes, this is called image tracer. The another one power tool we are having is named as drawing compare. This tool will be useful to know the changes or revisions what you have made with two drawings. Let me show you that. So here I have deleted all dimensions are in mm. The block I have deleted. Then saving as the file as compare. Then I use drawing compare option. So it would ask you to compare two drawings. So you have to select individual drawings first. So I am starting with compare drawing and my default construction drawing. Yes, here there is an option called additions or removals. So as compared with two drawings, what are all the entities have been added to second drawing, or what are all the entities have been removed as compared with first drawing. So this is called drawing compare. So all physical entities will be monitored and shown in that difference area. Yes, this is called drawing compare. Hope you have seen some basic things about Draftsight. Thank you so much. So first of all, I'm